Up first on the program, the shocking attack on the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who was attacked in her home during a public hearing that she does routinely at her house. She is now being checked in hospital and she was attacked at her residence. The BJP has said the man, who is said to be around 40 years old, approached the Chief Minister during the Jan Sunwahi, that is the public hearing that was taking place, and attacked her. It's also said that he was under the influence of alcohol. He is from Gujarat, is what one has with what the police have revealed, and the Delhi police are now in touch with their counterparts in Gujarat to find out more information about this individual and what led to this attack. Now, the Chief Minister's security personnel did immediately catch this attacker as he began to slap and even pull the Chief Minister's hair. He had approached her during this Jan Sunwahi. We don't know whether he genuinely had a complaint or it was just a pretext to come to the Chief Minister's residence and attack her. He is now being questioned, and the Chief Minister was taken immediately to hospital. Top officers of the Delhi police are also at her residence, and security has been increased there. Eyewitnesses have said the attacker came with some papers and approached the Chief Minister, and there was some sort of interaction before he suddenly began attacking her. He slapped her and he pulled her hair, and this has also raised questions as to the safety of the Chief Minister. Well, let's just listen in to what eyewitnesses said what took place during that Jan Sunwahi when the Chief Minister was attacked.
तो अंदर गए थे, नंबर लगा हुआ था, उसी से पर्ची के हिसाब से लोग जा रहे थे। ये पर्ची मेरा है, सीवर का कंप्लेंट मैंने करने आया था, तो इसी अंदर से भगदड़ मच गया कि थप्पड़ सीएम रेखा गुप्ता को मार दिए। उसमें पुलिस वाले फिर सबको भगाने लगे गेट के बाहर, सबके साइड पे मीडिया और आ गए, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले गए। वो हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हैं, वो गिर गए थे।
आप भी उस वक्त वहीं थे?
हाँ, हम अंदर ही थे उस समय। हम श्री हंसमुख मेरा नाम है, श्री दशरथ रामला कमेटी से उनको इनविटेशन और एक मैसेज लेने आए थे। लेकिन जैसे ही हम आगे वहाँ खड़े थे, हमारा नंबर आने, मैम बाहर आई, और जैसे ही एक वो युवक था, लगभग 24-25 साल का होगा, उसने एकदम मैडम को थप्पड़ मारा और फिर उसके बाद बाल पकड़े, जब तक मैडम गिर गई।
तो मतलब ये कोई मेल थे?
हाँ, कोई मेल थे। हाँ, लेकिन ये गलत हुआ, ऐसा कभी होना नहीं चाहिए।
ऐसा जब भी हम आते थे, मैडम शांतिपूर्वक मिलती थी और सबका काम करती थी जो होने वाला था। ये जिसने किया है वो गलत किया है, पब्लिक का नुकसान किया है उसने।
क्या आप, क्योंकि उस वक्त मौजूद थी, क्या कुछ देखा आपने, किस तरीके से हुई है पूरी घटना?
मैं बता तो रही, इतना इंस्टेंट था कि हम कुछ देख ही नहीं पाए। उससे पहले पुलिस वालों ने उसको उठाया और साथ ही ले गए।
अच्छा, तो वो इंसान उसी वक्त वहाँ पर डिटेन हो गया?
बिल्कुल, पुलिस स्टेशन में ले गए। बहुत पिटाई की।
अच्छा, हम ये भी सुनने में मिल रहा है कि वो इंसान अपने होशो हवाश में नहीं था, वो एकदम से चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऊपर चिल्लाने लग गए।
देखिए, आवाज तो आई, लेकिन ये उससे पहले वो हमारी सीएम जी की जो सिक्योरिटी थी उसको उठा लिया।
बड़ी उम्मीद लेकर आए थे, क्योंकि मैं एक बार पहले भी शालीमार बाग जा चुकी हूँ, तो मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से सबकी शिकायतें सुनती हूँ, उन समस्याओं का हल करती हैं। हमारी भी थार गाड़ी चोरी हो गई थी और मेरे फाउंडेशन को किसी प्रकार का किसी भी तरह से सहयोग नहीं मिलता, तो मैं बहुत उम्मीद लेकर आई थी, लेकिन आते ही पता चला और बहुत दुख हुआ, और मुझे लग रहा है कि ये विपक्ष की कोई चाल है।
All right, well, that was, some of the eyewitnesses, some of the citizens who were there to also voice their grievances. But let's go across to Anushka now for more. Anushka, give us more details of what we know so far about this individual. He's from Gujarat. The Delhi police also in touch with the Gujarat police, to find out more about him. His name is Rajesh.
That's right, Gargi. What we know so far is that this is a 41-year-old man who was here at the grievance session that the Chief Minister was having at her official residence. We'll show you the visuals also quickly from outside her residence. Several of the BJP leaders are arriving here since the morning, since this incident happened here. Ramesh Bidhodi is right now going inside the residence. Raja Iqbal Singh, who's the mayor, is right now inside, the Chief Minister's residence. What we do know by now is that there is an, investigative committee that has been made by the Delhi police. Police commissioner himself is a part of this committee. Not just that, the Delhi police are roping in the Gujarat police as well. They are trying to verify the details of the 41-year-old man who came here to attack the Chief Minister while she was leading the Jan Sunwahi. Now, this is something that is quite shocking. The Delhi police are, investigating several angles in this story. One such angle, according to the police sources, is related to the dog issue. In Delhi, the Supreme Court's verdict also that recently came that had in fact said that all the dogs should be moved to the, dog shelter. So this is something that the police is right now investigating, that this can be a possible angle to this particular incident that happened today. Not just that, several of the leaders have come forward and have condemned this act. They have said that there is no place of such kind of acts in democracy, and also they have said that they are trying to ensure that the security in this place is constantly hyped up. We'll show you some visuals as well. This area has been cordoned off by the Delhi police. Not just that, the Delhi police is in fact also scanning the CCTV footage inside, the Jan Sunwai premises where this whole incident was in fact taking place. The Delhi police is taking this with utmost seriousness. The investigative committee is right now questioning the accused. He was allegedly drunk when he came to Rekha Gupta. When he had a lot of documents in his hands. He was quite angry and he started yelling at the chief minister. After that, he attacked the chief minister, after which the security personnel had to interfere in between. They detained the person the accused, and after that the chief minister was rushed to the hospital. Several of the BJP leaders have come forward and have said that if there is any political agenda behind this attack, then this is something that needs to be investigated by the Delhi police. But we are right now seeing that the police is in fact investigating as to what are the possible angles and what led to this attack. Is it an isolated event, whether the person had planned this from very long time and then today he got the opportunity to execute this whole plan, or is it is it because the man was visibly drunk, is what the eyewitness had in fact also spoken to NDTV, that the man appeared to be very drunk when he approached the chief minister. But how did he come so close to the chief minister to attack her is the main question here. Whether the security measurements that are currently put in place will be taken into consideration. Will something be done in that regards or not? Will something be changed? Because we are seeing that the chief minister is regularly going between the public and hearing their grievances on a regular basis, and if incidents like this happen, then this is a serious concern as to how some elected representative, while they are between the people, the public, if such incidents happen in public, then this is a cause of grave concern, and the Delhi police is trying to leave no stones unturned in this whole case. We'll also show you the visuals, the kind of security measurement that has been put in place. The area has been cordoned off. The accused has been detained. So far, the latest update that we are getting is that the Delhi police is trying to rope in the Gujarat police and verify the details of the accused in this matter. A 41-year-old man from Gujarat attacked the Delhi chief minister when she was addressing the Jan Sunwai at her official residence, and this incident has shocked several of the leaders, not just from BJP but across party lines, and all of them have accused and condemned this issue and have said that a thorough investigation needs to be done, and the security measurements right now that are put in place should be reevaluated. Over to you.
That's right, Anushka. Extremely shocking, how this attack took place, and many questions, raised about the security inside the Chief Minister's residence. Ishika also joining us for more. And Ishika, as Anushka was describing, this is a 41-year-old man, and that he was drunk at the time when he approached the Chief Minister and then went on to attack us. So lots of questions as to how such an individual was even allowed into the Chief Minister's residence. Yes, it was a Jan Sunwai that was taking place, but even so, one expects there is some kind of screening.
Well, Gargi, as you rightly said, that this is certainly a very shocking incident that has now taken place. Now, what happens generally, is that whenever the chief minister takes her Jan Sunwai, she tries to make it more of a direct interaction between the public and the chief minister during, the redressal of all their problems. So that is what was happening right at the camp office, at which gate I am currently present at. And here what happened was, that this man, the 41-year-old that we are being told, but he came here, disguised as a complainant, and he then spoke first to the chief minister. And what the sources in the BJP and the CMO tell us, he tried to drag her, and at that time her head hit the table, is what they say currently. They have also updated regarding her health, saying that she's currently safe, but certainly the emotional trauma, if we talk about, that has, that is already there. If we talk about currently, you can see the kind of the deployment that has been done here. The entire area has been barricaded. Top leaders of, the Delhi BJP and the Delhi ministers are continuously coming here to, in fact, to meet the chief minister as well. Now, the Delhi government had made sure that, in fact, a detailed investigation will be done. But at the same time, they are alleging that this is certainly politically motivated, is what they are saying. They continue to say that because the chief minister was addressing every problem, the opposition, rather, they are saying here, had in fact, was trying to ruin her image, and this is why this entire conspiracy, if we talk about what was in fact done by the opposition, is what the BJP continues to allege. Now, very important development, Gargi, that I'd like to give our viewers is that at around 12:30, we are expecting that the Delhi BJP president, Vineet Sachdeva, will be briefing in this context. Over to you.
All right, so there will be a briefing in this context. Let's return to Anushka. And Anushka, if we talk about reactions, as you said, many BJP leaders rushing there. Also, former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, former Chief Minister of Delhi, is also, hit out at this attack on Rekha Gupta, saying it's condemnable. There can be no place for violence. And he says, I'm confident the Delhi police will take appropriate action.
That's right, and we are also seeing that the Delhi police and the investigating committee have in fact roped in the Gujarat police, and they are trying to ensure the verification of the individual, the 41-year-old man whose name is Rajesh, who attacked the chief minister today. Now the Delhi police have in fact also confirmed that he is an animal lover, and the current issue that is in fact ongoing regarding the stray dogs in this particular matter, the Delhi police have in fact also said that this can be related to this, and this is a possible angle to this attack that took place today. The man was allegedly drunk. What the eyewitnesses have said is that when he approached the chief minister, he was visibly angry. After that, he started yelling at the chief minister, and then he attacked the chief minister while she was doing, attending the public grievance session. Now we are also showing you the visuals from outside the residence of the chief minister, where several of the BJP leaders have arrived here. BJP leader have arrived here. Pankaj Singh had arrived here. The Major Raja, Iqbal had in fact arrived here to, look after what is in fact going on, what has happened in this whole incident. The Delhi police is trying to ensure that there are no stones that are, unturned in this particular event. They are also trying to reevaluate the security measurements that are currently in place, because this is a very shocking issue. The security scare that happened at the residence of the chief minister is something that should not have had happened to an elected representative who was there between the public addressing the grievances. And when this incident happened, the chief minister was surrounded by a lot of people. So this raises serious questions as to how such kind of an event took place, how a drunken man was allowed to be in a close proximity to the chief minister when she was being attacked. Where was the security actually standing, and when did they manage to interfere, and how the accused was detained? He's said to be a 41-year-old man named Rajesh. We have his visuals also that we can see, and the police is trying to investigate all the angles, all the possible angles that could have led to this attack. The Delhi police is in fact also looking as whether or not this is an isolated event or whether he had planned this for a long time, and then today he got the opportunity to execute it. But nonetheless, we are seeing several of the party leaders, not from the BJP but across party lines, who have come forward and have condemned this attack, and have also said that this is something that should not happen in a democracy. When an elected representative who is there between the public addressing their issue, they should not be treated in such manner. This is something that needs to be stopped, something that the police needs to investigate with utmost seriousness. And we are also seeing that the Delhi police and the committee that is in fact going to investigate about this whole matter, the Delhi police commissioner is himself a part of this committee, and when this investigation goes on, they will try to understand as to what led to this kind of an untoward incident that took place inside the official residence of the chief minister of Delhi. Over to you.
All right, thanks so much for that, Anushka. So lots of information coming in regarding this individual who came all the way from Gujarat to speak to the chief minister, attacking her. A very shocking incident to, for it to take place in the chief minister's residence. The BJP leaders have rushed, their Delhi leaders and ministers have rushed to Rekha Gupta's residence, and we are expecting a press conference to be held at around 12:30.